Using adjustment layers. Adjustment layers offer a convenient way to apply effects to multiple clips. The concept is straightforward. Create an adjustment layer clip that can hold effects, position it above other clips in the timeline on a higher video track. Everything beneath the adjustment layer clip is viewed through it, receiving any effects it contains. Let's add an adjustment layer to a sequence. Open the sequence 03 Multiple Effects. At the bottom right of the project panel, click the New Item button and choose Adjustment Layer. You may need to resize the project panel to see the New Item button. The Adjustment Layer dialog box allows you to specify settings for the new item you are creating. The settings in the dialog box will reflect the settings in the current sequence. Click OK. Premiere Pro adds a new adjustment layer to the project panel. Drag the adjustment layer from the project panel to the beginning of the Video 2 track in the Timeline panel. Click the right edge of the adjustment layer clip in the Timeline panel to select just the out point. A red trim handle icon appears on the end of the clip. Next, position the playhead at the end of the sequence just after the last clip. You can achieve this quickly by pressing the End key. Now press E to perform an Extend Edit. This extends the selected trim handle to the location of the playhead. Now that the adjustment layer is in place, let's apply an effect to it. Once the effect is set up, you can change the adjustment layer's opacity to alter the intensity of the effect. In the Effects panel, search for and locate the Gaussian Blur effect. Drag the effect onto the adjustment layer clip in the sequence. Move the timeline playhead to 27.00 to have a good close-up shot to use when designing the effect. Audiences pay particular attention to the eyes of your subjects, so it can be helpful to use a close-up as a reference when applying effects. By default, the Gaussian blur effect does not change the image. Make sure the adjustment layer clip is selected. In the Effect Controls panel, set blurriness to a high value, around 25. Select the Repeat Edge Pixels option to apply the effect evenly. The effect is too strong. Let's blend the adjustment layer with the clips beneath it using a blend mode to create a film look. Blend modes let you mix two layers together based on their brightness and color values. You will learn more about them in Lesson 14, Exploring Compositing Techniques. With the adjustment layer still selected in the sequence, click the disclosure triangle next to the opacity control in the Effect Controls panel to view the settings. Choose Soft Light from the Blend Mode menu to create a gentle blend with the footage. Set opacity to 75% to reduce the effect. Your eyes will quickly adjust to the new appearance of the clip, so to compare the before and after states, enable and disable the track output for the Video 2 track in the Timeline panel.